Dividing integers with different signs. A machine drill is used to access water 160 feet underground. If the machine drills the same distance each day for 4 days, what is the change in location of the bottom of the hole each day? Let's use a vertical number line to represent this situation. The water is 160 feet under the ground. This dig is split up between 4 days, so we're going to split this into 4 parts. Since we are splitting up 160 feet evenly between 4 days, we are going to be dividing. Negative 160 divided by 4. That will give us negative 40. The location of the bottom of the hole changed negative 40 feet, or 40 feet lower, each day. Let's review our rule for dividing integers with different signs. When dividing integers with different signs, the quotient is negative. For example, a positive divided by a negative equals a negative, and a negative divided by a positive equals a negative. Zach goes parachuting and descends at a rate of 24 feet in 2 seconds. If he maintains a steady descent, what integer represents Zach's change in elevation in feet per second? Let's represent this situation using a vertical number line. He descends 24 feet. He's going down, so we're going to represent that with a negative 24. This takes 2 seconds. The question is asking for his change in elevation in feet per second. Per means 1, so we're finding his change in 1 second. Since we are splitting negative 24 into 2 equal groups, we are going to use division. Negative 24 divided by 2 equals negative 12. Zach's change in elevation can be represented by negative 12 feet per second. Camille takes a rock climbing class. On her first outing, she rappels on the side of a boulder in 3 equal descents. What integer represents Camille's change in altitude in feet each time she descends? Let's use a vertical number line to represent this situation. The elevation of the boulder is 165 feet. Since she is going down 165 feet, we will represent this with a negative. She does this in 3 equal descents. So let's split this up into 3 equal parts. Since we are splitting 165 equally, we are going to use division. Negative 165 divided by 3 equals negative 55. Each time Camille descends, her change in altitude is negative 55 feet. An elevator steadily descends 500 feet in 20 seconds. How would you express the change in the elevator's height per second? Let's use a vertical number line to represent this situation. The elevator descends 500 feet, which means it goes down. We can use negative 500. This happens in 20 seconds. So let's make 20 equal groups. The question is asking for the change in height per second. So the change in height in 1 second. We can represent this as negative 500 divided by 20 because we're splitting it into 20 equal groups. This will give us negative 25. The elevator's height change is negative 25 feet per second. A company loses $780 as a result of a shipping delay. The 6 owners of the company must share the loss equally. What was the change in profit for each owner? Let's represent this situation using a horizontal number line. The company loses $780. Let's use negative 780. This loss is being split between 6 owners. So let's show 6 equal parts. Since negative 780 is being split up equally between 6 parts, we can use the expression negative 780 divided by 6. That will give us negative 130. The change in profit for each owner is negative $130. Let's review our rule for dividing integers with different signs. When dividing integers with different signs, the quotient is negative. For example, a positive divided by a negative equals a negative. Also, a negative divided by a positive equals a negative.